Hey, Royal Navy Yachtmaster here. Here's one of my seamanship tips. I'm going to show you guys how to coil a rope properly. When I'm out on sailboats or motor yachts, I see the disasters that you guys all do with your rock climbing ways of tying up ropes. This is how you do it. There's one way only, the right way, my way. So, the loop that is going to stay in the rope, that's the loop that goes ashore and goes around the bollard or the cleat. That's in one hand. In order to get equal lengths of rope, I pull it up my full width of my arms each time. I do a little twist as it comes over so it lays properly, full width, little twist so it lays properly, full width, little twist so it lays properly, full width, little twist so it lays properly. Now, how do we finish it? I got a nice long tail, I come underneath, I come around a minimum of 2 times. 3 is nicer, 4 looks pretty. And then how do I finish it? So, with the running end, I make a little loop, I put it through the loop that I have in my hand, I pull this up on top, and now the rope is held. Okay, it's neat, it's not going to go anywhere. I can tie it up to store it, and then if I need it in a hurry, look how quickly I can prepare the rope in a hurry. Just undo it, take out the turns, throw the rope. That's how you do it.